Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly you need to work on. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that headlight assembly out. You'll find two retaining pins at the top of the assembly. Simply pull these straight up to remove them. Once the pins are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. With the assembly free, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the bulb's socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Now, carefully remove the old bulb from the socket. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's secure. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it's seated properly. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier to secure it. Finally, test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.